Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have access and context. Now begin. First, sign in and choose the workspace tied to your project so you view relevant data. Once done, set the date range and baseline metric to prevent misleading comparisons. Make sure filters match the dataset you expect, because mismatched filters create confusion later. Now click the default dashboard view to load widgets. This starts the live refresh. You'll be ready to explore charts immediately and avoid wasted steps. You're in the middle of customizing. Focus on clarity and repeatability. Change chart types where trends show better lines for time series, bars for comparisons, and reorder panels so the top left reflects priority metrics. Apply combined filters and segments to narrow root causes, then use drill downs to inspect individual records. Once a layout works, save a named view so you can return instantly. This reduces cognitive load and makes future analysis. You're wrapping up, export or share. Choose a snapshot export or schedule a report. Alternatively, share a live link with proper permission so collaborators see the same view. Make sure recipients have access and that the dashboard reflects current data by confirming last refreshed timestamps. If items appear missing, first check the source connection, then narrow filters, and confirm the refresh completed successfully. That troubleshooting order fixes most issues quickly and prevents chasing the wrong problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.